Thank you, Israel. So yeah, here Leticia from Plug and Play. I'm part of the Silicon Valley team for fintech and enterprises specifically. I'll give you a quick background on Plug and Play. We have two arms of business. On one side, we're a venture capital firm, and we're early stage investors. We do pre-seed deals with only rounds, always following the terms of the lead. Our tickets go from $50,000 to $250,000, average at 100K more or less. We invest in pretty much all sectors, from fintech to mobility, health, OT, enterprise, sustainability, supply chain, anything tech related, really. And we have dedicated teams for all of those different verticals. As mentioned, I'm part of fintech and enterprise one. And we're based in Silicon Valley, but we have offices around the world, more than 40 actually. So we are pretty much global investors. Something that is quite interesting about Plug and Play specifically is our other business arm. We are also running a corporate innovation ecosystem. What that means is that we're serving 535 corporate partners around the world. These are large multinationals like Airbus, Coca-Cola, BNP Paribas, US Bank, and so on. And we're basically introducing them to startups that offer technologies or solutions that they're looking for, because they might have a pain point looking for technologies to improve internal processes, offer more innovative solutions to our clients, find new sources of revenue. They find that pain point, they come to us, and we basically do a matchmaking with startups that already offer those solutions, and that's for free for startups. But now looking more specifically into LATAM, we actually have an office in Sao Paulo, but have partners around of the continent, and these corporates include companies like Banco de Brasilia, SCT, BNP Paribas, GNP Seguros, Claro Brasil and Colombia, Davivienda, Copec, and many others. We have done more than 30 investments in LATAM since 2014, and actually over half of those have happened in the past couple of years. So we're trying to increase a lot of our operations there and our investments. Some of these portfolio companies include CloudWalk, Rappi, Pago 46, Acasa, Pluggy, Delta AI, Blue 365, Banquish, and many others that we're very happy to be working with. As I mentioned, we're trying to increase our focus in LATAM, and one of the key stakeholders at Plug and Play working in our strategy for that. And I'll be very happy to connect with any founder that needs any help with internationalization, with introductions to corporates, or just any feedback in general. Thank you.